Good morning, dear children. Today I'll teach you lesson 9 of English literature, that is how to do it. But before starting with the lesson, let me tell you the characters of this lesson. In this lesson, you'll get to know about two sisters. The names of the sisters are Sheena and Zuni. Now, in this lesson, they are called as Kaul sisters. Kaul. Now, why they are called as Kaul sisters? Kaul is their surname. They both share the same surname. That is why they are called as Kaul sisters. Now, further, you will get to know about three more children. The names of those children are Dev, Raju, and Neha. They are the neighbors of Sheena and Zuni. That is, they are the neighbors of Kaul sisters. So, children, now the lesson starts like this. It is raining. Sheena and Zuni cannot go out to play. So, they decide to play indoors. Okay, now what is the meaning of indoors? It means inside the house. They also ask their neighbors to play with them. That is, they also ask Dev, Raju, and Neha to play with them. Okay? Now, Sheena wants to play snakes and ladders, but Zuni wants to play Ludo. So, Sheena's mother, that is Mrs. Kaul, tells them to play how to do it. But the children do not know about this game. So, Mrs. Kaul calls all of them and tells them softly how to play the game. Now, to know how the game is played, you have to look in your book. Now, children, look here. This is how they play the game. First, look here, children. These are the children sitting. This one is Dev. Okay, he is Dev. He is Raju. She is Zuni. She is Neha. And she is Sheena. Okay, now pay attention over here. Now you will get to know how they play the game. Okay. I will ask you questions about different actions. You should say how they happen. How does Raju eat cake? So children, over here, Dev is saying that he is going to ask questions about different actions, like how different actions happen. The first action is, how does Raju eat cake? So the children have to answer that how these actions happen. Okay, so the first action is, how does Raju eat cake? So who answers? Zuni answers. She says, slowly. He eats after sharing it with everyone. So how does Raju eat cake? This is the first action. And what is the answer of this action? Who is answering? Zuni is answering. She is saying, Raju eats cake slowly and he eats after sharing it with everyone. Okay, now we'll see the next question. Now children, look here. He is Raju and she is Neha. Now what Neha is saying? Oh Raju, that is very kind of you. Okay, now Neha is saying, oh Raju, that is very kind of you. Why she is saying this? Because Raju eats cake after sharing it with everyone. Now let's see what Raju has to say. Thanks. Yes. Mummy says so too. I like to share my food with everyone. Now Raju replies to Neha and he says, thanks. Yes, Mummy says so too. It means Mummy also says the same thing what Neha is saying. And he further says that I like to share my food with everyone. Okay? Now children, look here. He is Dev and she is Sheena. Now Dev asks from Sheena. What he asks? How does Zuni write? So what Sheena says? Sheena says, she writes neatly. Everyone can understand her handwriting. Okay, what she says? She says that Zuni writes very neatly and everyone can understand her handwriting. Okay, now see further. Now Dev again asks from Sheena, how does father sing in the bathroom? So what Sheena says? Sheena says loudly. We can hear him from our living room. Okay. So what Sheena replies that the father sings very loudly and we can hear him from our living room. Okay. Now over here, Dev asks from Zuni, how does Neha walk to school? So what Zuni says? Quickly. I always hurry behind her. So what Zuni says? Zuni says about Neha that Neha walks very quickly. And what she has to do? She always has to hurry behind her to match with her speed. Okay? Now look here children. Now over here Dev asks from Raju, how does a mouse stay in the house? So what Raju says, it stays quietly. Okay, how a mouse stays in the house? It stays quietly without making any noise. Okay, now over here Dev asks from Neha, how does a bee work? How does a bee work? So what Neha has to say? Neha says happily and busily all through the day. It means the bee works happily and busily all through the day. Okay? Now look at this picture children. Dev is holding a toy snake. Okay, now he brings this toy snake and he asks from everyone, how does everyone run from a snake? Ha ha ha. Okay, it means he is doing a prank. So all the children are scared and they start running here and there. You can see in this picture. Okay, now after some time, Sheena says, Dev, that was very naughty. I will tell mummy what you did. So now Sheena is saying to Dev, that was very naughty and I'm going to complain to mummy about what you did. So what Dev says? Dev says, no, please don't tell mummy. I'm sorry. I won't do this again. Okay. So now they feel sorry and he says that no, please do not tell mummy. I'm sorry and I'm not going to do it again. Okay. Now look here children. Over here, Dev says, I'm sorry friends. Now he's saying sorry to everyone. Okay. And he further says, now tell me, how many words did we use to describe the actions? So, he's asking the children that how many words did we use to describe the action. So, Zuni is saying 6, Raju is saying no, 9 and Sheena is saying 7. So, all are giving different answers. Okay? So children, here we finished this lesson. Now can you tell me which part of the story tells us to share things with each other? Yes, can you tell me? So children, the first part of the story tells us to share things with each other. How? How does Raju eat cake? Raju eats cake after sharing it with everyone. Okay, so you also share your things with everyone. Okay, learn to share your things with your friends and your family members. Okay, so children, here we finish lesson 9 of English literature. I hope you have understood this lesson nicely. Thank you.